I pretty much only wear neutrals. This is as much color as I'm ever gonna get. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashlyn, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get 20 outfits from only 10 basic items. So this is a capsule wardrobe video, and I think capsule wardrobes are essential when it comes to packing for trips, especially if you're trying to pack in a carry-on for over 2 weeks. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea about different basics that you can choose to take with you, and also how you can mix and match those basics to create lots of outfits. Before we get started, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, especially if you have been here before and you like my videos, and make sure your notifications are turned on. So I'm going to start by showing you all the items that I'm going to be using to mix and match and make these 20 outfits. A pair of Adidas sneakers, these new Choco sandals, a pair of basic black jeans, a pair of dark wash blue jeans, a basic black tank, a black and white striped shirt, a gray t-shirt, this black mini dress, an ombre chambray shirt, and this camel color sweater. And I also am going to be using a scarf and a baseball hat just to mix things up a little bit. So I'm about to super awkwardly try on these outfits for you. But before I try on the outfits, go ahead and look down in the comments and answer the question of the day. I want you to tell me what your favorite basic item of clothing is. Is it a white t-shirt, black jeans? I want to know. And there you have it. Those are my 20 outfits from my 10 basics. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with a friend, subscribe, and don't forget to answer the question of the day down below.